Hey, how you doing today? Look what I have to show you today. Universal helmet mirror by Pidzoom for our e-bikes or our motorcycles and my scooter. I tried this one. Looks adorable too. I bought this cheap one. I wouldn't recommend buying this thing. Look at this, how it goes in. I tried it. You got to put it in the vents of your helmet. It's really bad. Don't buy that. So, I was looking for a good one. This is by Pidzoom. It's adjustable. Look. Nice packaging. Ooh. Stickers. Pidzoom. Best accessories. Nice. Pidzoomed. They have other accessories for e-bikes too. So, here's the mirror. Look. Got a nice reflector there on one side. This is the convex mirror. You know, if you want a wide angle behind you. And there's a second one. And this is just flat. You know? So you can choose which one you like better. I think I like the flat. And they have many different size adjustable arms for mounting on your helmet. And mounting points with a 3M sticky stuff on the back. There's a little curved piece. What kind of ball and socket set up here, see? So you can choose. Here's some extra 3M. Here's a thumb screw that you could use to tighten it up when you adjust your angle. And a little tool. Little Phillips screwdriver. That's all you'll need for this. Nice. And some O-rings if you need them. Let me see which one I want for my size helmet. So I want it like this, and I want the ball on here. It's easy to figure out. Look, I'll have to look at my helmet. Yeah, I want it kind of like that in the mirror, like that. Yeah, I can see behind me already. So do a test fitting. Let me see if I want a shorter one. I don't know if I want a shorter one. Let's see. See, this fits in a ball too, a ball and a socket. So if this was here, I think I like the longer one. And then you could fold it back. I'll show you when it's not in use. So let's see. Take the helmet off. Find the spot you want it. This is flat, but they have a curved one, which you would put your 3M tape on there. Clean that off with some alcohol. I'll do that, but let me double check my fit here. Oh, or do I like that one? Yeah, I like that one. So I'm going to use the mount that I picked to begin with. Double check again. I love it. That's a flat one. Yeah, it's nice. Real good quality. You loosen this. Pop the ball in the socket there. Put the ring on. And it's adjustable. I think I decided I want it right like that. I can see behind me. I can see the sink behind me. So right here. Right on where that stripe starts. Okay? Stick that on there. A little alcohol, paper towel, clean your helmet off. So it sticks good. And right about there. And it's going to look like that. It's nice. Now, you could put this on a full face helmet too, and you could put it from the bottom up, you know. I've seen people do that. That's some sticky tape there. Stick it on. You tighten the arm there on your swivel when you get it where you like it. Tighten it. But when you make it tight, you can still bend it down and adjust it where you would like it, you know. Same thing out here. Let me take the plastic off. Look at that. See yourself in there? And tighten this. And you could also replace that tightening adjustment screw with a thumb screw, which is okay, right? Look, done. Wasn't that easy? Let me see. Yeah, see behind me. You ain't sneaking up on me now. Adjust it. Yeah. All right. It's a little cloudy out, but I have to try it, right? Especially with my scooter that has no mirrors, and the e-trike we got has no mirrors. It's pretty good. How's it look? Nice reflector on the front. It'll withstand up to 60 miles an hour. That's pretty good, huh? And with all these adjustments, it'll fit any kind of situation you have, you know, how big your helmet is or small or whatever. So that's the Pidzoom universal helmet mirror. Check the link below. There's a 5% discount code. Great price. It's neat that you have convex. I love that. You might really like this kind, you know, and I might want to change it. Who knows, after I use this a while. All right, let me go get the scooter. Even though it's a little cloudy, I could take a ride. I could try it out. Want to go with me? I'll show you. I'll let you know what I think. Right now it's great. It's clear. Okay, if you don't want it there, do that. All right, come on. All right, I'm outside. Gonna try it out. Still a little cool out. It's almost springtime. I can see good behind me. I like it. I'm gonna go down the block, all right? Watch me get on the driveway. Here I go. It's working pretty good. Can you see me? I can see behind me. Nice. The scooter don't have no mirrors, you know? Good job. Woo-wee! I love it. It's working good. See behind me real good? Nice. It works really good. You know, you're not going to be staring at it all the time, but you can glance in it like that, and extra safe. Nice reflector on front in case you're out at night. Round edges. See behind you good. It's great. I love it. So check the link below. You see how easy it was to put on and to use. Get yourself a couple. They're good gifts. Keep everybody safe. You know you can't put a mirror on a scooter or that trike we have because I'm standing up too high, you know. Anyway, Pidzoom, I like it. Check it out. Click the link below.